Welcome to the Voice Lead Generator. This innovative software is designed to make lead generation fast, efficient, and easy for marketers of any experience level. Whether you're new to the game or a seasoned pro, the Voice Lead Generator simplifies the entire process so you can focus on growing your business. Let's take a quick walkthrough to see just how easy it is to use. Step 1. Log into the Voice Lead Generator. Once you're logged in, you'll see a simple and user-friendly dashboard. Here, you can quickly check the phone number in use and the server time. You can also adjust your time zone to match your target audience, whether they're in Europe, the US, Australia, or anywhere else in the world. Setting the correct time zone means your campaigns will go live exactly when your audience is most active. Step 2. Prepare your voice message. Now let's get your voice message ready to go. Click on Media to access your message settings. You can either upload a pre-recorded MP3 file or record a new message directly in the software. To record, simply click Record Audio, select the caller ID. This is the number that will appear on the recipient's phone, and enter your own phone number. Give the recording a title and hit Call Me. The Voice Lead Generator will call your phone, allowing you to record your message directly. Once finished, your message will be saved and ready to use in campaigns. Step 3. Set up and launch your campaign. Next, navigate to the Filter and Send module. Here, you'll set up your campaign with just a few clicks. Choose the phone number you want to use for the campaign, then upload or manually enter your contact list. You'll see the numbers appear in the list, and for quick lookups, you can enter individual numbers manually. Use the lookup feature to filter by mobile, landline, or VoIP numbers to ensure your message reaches the right audience. Then select the voice message you'd like to send and click Start. Your message will be on its way to your selected contacts. Step 4. Monitor campaign performance. Once your campaigns are running, it's essential to track their success. Head back to the dashboard for a quick overview, or dive deeper into the Report module for more detailed stats. In Reports, you can filter results by date, phone number, or campaign. You can also delete or reset entries, and even listen to the voice messages you've sent. It's a comprehensive view of your campaign's impact, all in one place. Additional Feature 1. Amplify your outreach with Record and Dial. Looking to take your outreach to the next level? The Record and Dial module allows you to transfer calls to a virtual assistant while recording the conversation for quality assurance. For example, you could hire a VA on a freelancing platform, then connect your clients directly with them. To set this up, select the phone number that matches the client's location, enter the VA's phone number, enable Record this call, and hit Make Call. The Voice Lead Generator will first call your VA, then connect them with your client, recording the entire conversation. This way, you can ensure your clients receive top-notch service and keep a record of all interactions for quality assurance. Additional Feature 2. Manage your campaigns on the go. The Voice Lead Generator is fully mobile compatible, so you can manage and monitor your campaigns from your phone. This flexibility allows you to stay connected and respond to leads in real time, even when you're away from your computer. The Voice Lead Generator makes lead generation simple, fast, and incredibly effective. Give it a try and watch your business grow.